That's where the other lift is being replaced. Looks like we've just got it. These are the this is one of the CSB service lifts at Wellington Hospital. It's a Schindler 7000. It replaced the 1960's OTIS lift. Going up. Which floor are you going to? You. Which floor are you? All good. Oh. This is 12.
Thank you.
You going down or up?
Down.
To 3 or 2?
2.
Here we are at level 2. Right, now that we've got the lifts to ourselves, again, these are the CSB service lifts at Wellington Hospital, or one of them anyway. They're currently in the process of replacing them. These were formerly 1960's OTIS lifts, and much like the purple lifts, they had a button replacement, but they kept the original floor indicators in here. 1800 kgs or 23 persons. Bloody hell, these lifts are very tall. Here we are back up at level 13. The shaft lights are on. We'll just go back to level 2 now, and then we'll make that it. Hopefully we won't stop. I like the background on these floor indicators though. Here we are back down at level 2. There it goes. And that's it.